Ukuyonxenxa amavoti nokuvakashela ePhoenix kukasekela nobhala we-ANC uJC Duarte kuza ngemuva kwezingqwembe ze-DA kule ndawo ezisuse umsindo. Umbhalo we-DA ubuqhatha i-ANC nezakhamuzi lapha ezinye zazo ezinesandla ekubulaweni kwabantu ngoNtulikazi ngezikhathi zebhelu. Bangaphezulu kwama-30 abantu ababulawa lapha egamekweni ezichazwe njengezinenhleso yokucwasa ngokobuhlanga. I-DA ibichaze izenzo zabantu balapha ePhoenix njengezinobuqhawe, kanti i-ANC ithi ubandlululo alisiphulwe nezimpande zalo.
We are formally lodging a complaint with the Human Rights Commission. This is something that needs to be interrogated by the Human Rights Commission. It needs to be understood whether it is appropriate for any political party in South Africa to be promoting racism.
uDuarte uthi abantu bayamukela kahle imiyalezo ye-ANC yokhetho.
We've committed to do better. We recognize many mistakes were made. The commitment is to correct those mistakes and to move forward.
Estatimendeni uhlalo we-DA KwaZulu-Natal uDean McPherson uthi ingqwembe zabo bezingagunyazwanga umholi we-DA noma inhlaka zayo okanye abaholi bemkhankaso yabo yokhetho. Eyindabeni ze-SABC nginguVusi Khumalo ePhoenix.